So we were given this IBC tank. The only trouble we have with it is that it came with no extra fittings or fixtures. It also didn't come with a lid, so Sven had to order a whole bunch of bits and pieces online. The main aim with this tank is to collect all the overflow water from one of our stormwater pits, and then we're going to be able to connect a hose pipe to it and water some of the gardens that we are slowly starting to create. And then long term is to actually see if we can feed it into our greenhouse. We do already have some of the irrigation set up.
So this container, it's called a Kingtainers. It's a Chinese brand, and when you get it, it comes with this connector, which is an MX, I think an M80X3, which is the diameter and the distance between the threads. So I've had to order an adapter which can change us from this M80X3 to an S60X6, which is a lot more common in Australia. So the parts that we can get and the taps that we can get easily in Australia for these tanks, they use the S60S6 size, which is this size connector. So I've basically bought this to adapt this this M80 to this S60, so we can now put the smaller adapter on. There's a bit of dirt in the tank that we've noticed that comes through, so I've bought a filter that'll hopefully filter that dirt out before it goes into the irrigation system. Otherwise our jets will just get blocked. So this goes in this way. I'm just putting on some plumbing tape to make sure that seals a little bit better. Oh, that's very close. Okay. And then the next part that we've bought is we've bought a tap. So that's actually got 2 taps on it. So the idea will be we'll be able to connect a hose to fill things like a watering can, maybe water the garden, and then one will be able to connect permanently into the greenhouse. How are we going to fix that problem?
Oh, sherbet.
I was really hoping to... I don't want to... Let's keep that one, that's nice and tight.
Oh, it's really starting to rain now.
Yeah. If this is on properly.
I don't know.
It's the first one. Okay, well let's give that a test, and then I might just pull that out and try, and maybe I'll put some more plumbing tape on it and we'll put it in again.
Okay.
It's just starting to rain. First, let's just open this.
Oh, it's leaking at the bottom.
Okay, so it's leaking out of this fitting.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we'll take that off again and we'll try to reseat him. Because we've got to fix this situation here anyway. I don't know, I'm going to get it off. My hands are wet now. I can't hold it.
Is it going on straight?
I don't know. It looks like it's not.
Yeah.
But I can't really see because it's in there.
I suppose it wouldn't thread if it was fluid.
I don't think so.
I was going to say maybe open it before putting anything else. Much better. Last time it was actually coming out where it was joined. Yep.
Yep. Okay, sweet. So that just needed some tape.
Cool.
Okay. This one we didn't tape either. Wasn't sure if it was worth it with these giant threads, but we'll put some on and see what happens. This is the one that doesn't. It's going so nicely. It didn't leak out of this one though.
No, just the back one. Pressure out of here. The only thing we haven't sealed now is this filter. So No,
you can obviously take it out and you can clean it.
No, I didn't see anything come out of there.
I was hoping the reduction in size from this to the taps would increase the pressure. Problem with this being in the way, you can't actually open this tap fully either though. No.
Ooh, is that maybe going to work?
I can tighten it more. Let's just see if it's okay the way it is. Well, that's correct, and there's no leaks.
Yep. I can't see anything, no. Nice.
However, this means this isn't open fully because this is in the way now.
Well, like you were saying, does it have to lie upwards? Can it not lie sideways? It just means the tap will be in the wrong position. No.
Let's see what we can maybe do it that way.
Even that's better.
Then we can do it all. Doesn't look like it's filling fully though now.
Well, it does.
I don't think it's made too much difference, but at least we can get the tap to open fully. Let's try this one.
It's not terrible pressure though.
It's pretty low because the irrigation is 19mm pipe, and that amount of water is it's going to fill that pipe, but then I don't think it's going to have high enough pressure to spray from the jets. Let's see how we go. Let's put the cover on.
We'd actually hoped to clean this up a bit before doing any of this work, but when we installed this tank, I think it rained like literally the next day and had already filled it up halfway, so we've just not had a chance, but it is what it is.
Let's take that out. Oh good, I did buy the right size. I didn't measure it. I eyeballed the sizes online.
It's a bit unlucky.
It's not perfect, but it looks a bit better.
It does look better than
Now,
plastic.
I'm just hoping that this is the cover that has the hole on top, the access hole. So we bought a cover to cover the tank. The tank does stand in the sun most days, and the sun on the water in the tank actually causes algae to grow inside the tank. So if we cover that, we block the UV and we have no algae. Why are you setting it?
Because it's got a slot here.
You have to put the tap in the front?
Yes, so that's why I'm needing it to straighten it up.
This thing's a little bit budget. There's no flap. It's just literally a cutout. Definitely need to shorten this pipe.
Yeah, and we've noticed that it's a bit of a cheap cover, so there's still quite a bit of a gap there, so hopefully the algae won't be too bad. We'll have to just keep an eye on it, but it looks pretty good.
Okay. Just have to see how that fares in the wind, as long as it doesn't try and pull it off.
Oh, worst case I'll have to add some weight to it.
It's actually very big. Thought it was going to be a tight fit.
Is it too big?
No, it screws on.
Is it a bit sus?
Well, this is a lot deeper. There's only like 2 or 3 threads on the tap. But it fits.
Just give the pumpkins some spray.
Let's be honest, it doesn't feel like this is filling up with water. So this could be an epic fail.
How is that happening?
Maybe there's not enough pressure to pull the hose.
Surely not.
So it's kinked.
No?
It doesn't look like it. There's water in there.
That's enough pressure, surely. That's weird.
There's water in here.
So maybe it just needed to take a while. I love it sprays you in the
That would
face.
have been funny. I can hear it though.
That's what I'm saying, maybe it just takes a bit.
No, there's no pressure in it. So that's not gonna work.
Not gonna quite work. That's a bit frustrating.
So it's not even able to sort of push up the pipe.
Damn.
That's unexpected.
Yeah, a little bit.
There'd be some kind of pressure at least.
I thought it was enough just to at least run a hose. So then the idea of the greenhouse is just not going to happen.
There it is.
So try again. Maybe it just takes a really long
It
time.
normally sprays out when you have the tap.
Well, try again. It might just be a trickle.
It's not even filling up. We have a pressure problem. Well, that's that for now.
Okay, well, we can at least fill up a watering can, I guess.
Yes, if you put it right here.
Yep.